We don't prefer any kind of formalities, so even today here, as already we were a little late with time, I would like to start. First of all, I'd like to appreciate that you all were there on time and you finished your lunch very fast, right? So thanks for that. Right, so the word mutual means both, sharing, right? And today I'm going to talk something related with that. It's going to be like you and your life, it's going to be you and your work, and you and your clients. I was told that English would be the preferable language here, and I hope that everybody would understand English. But even in the last session itself, I observed that a couple of people were really happy when a couple of words were spoken in Hindi. So I'll combine my language a little bit, right? I hope everybody would be comfortable with that. Right, so a simple question to all of you. Why do you work hard? I know it's going to be a very, very simple question, but I have asked these questions to millions of people around India and out of India, and I've got three common answers. And that is, every one of us works hard to achieve success, happiness, and peace in life. But the question is, 6 billion people in the world are working for the same. But how can everyone achieve that? It's a huge question, right? And for achieving this, up till now we have learned so many different things. And majority of the people believe that hard work is the way to achieve that. But friends, I believe that hard work isn't enough. Because along with that, it's very much necessary to work smart. Now, how do I define the smart work? Smart work for me is simply two things. Working in the right direction with the right method. Here, I'm not going to talk much about the right direction, because I hope you all already have a perfect direction. I'm going to talk much more on the right method. But when it comes to direction, the simple word could be towards our goal, towards our purpose. And I believe that each and every one of you are very much aware with the concept of goal or the goal setting. And nowadays, in the self-improvement industry, it has been a very common subject. But yes, adding on to that, I'll just say a couple of things. First, it's very much necessary that every year, when you are coming here, this is the 3rd annual meet here, every year when you're coming here, it's very much necessary that you prepare your targets for the next year, which you might be doing. But the question is, how big are your goals? Because, you see, if you decide to be just, where you are, there's not going to be enough. In this competitive world, it's very much necessary that you set as big goals as you can, because then only you can excel, and that's necessary. Power of thinking big, right? And each and every one of you might be aware with that. Along with that, a small thing, and that is, share your goals with everyone. You see, many times I have seen that people keep majority of their goals private, a kind of pocket goals, I don't know why, but it's necessary that you share your goals. Sharing goals would have three common benefits. First, once you share your goal with everyone, what happens is, if you forget your goals, people will make you aware and remind you that, hey man, you talked about this, where is it? So they'll make you again and again remind, for the same what you had decided. Because we humans decide so many things, but very suddenly we also immediately forget those things, right? So if you tell your company, your boss, your colleagues, your family members about your goals, they'll keep reminding you, and that's really great thing, right? Second would be, once you have shared your goal with everyone, what happens is, then it comes on your image, that as you have told people, you're supposed to fulfill that. And that's a big motivation and inspiration in every walk of life. अगर उसमें हिंदी में कहूँ तो, लोगों को बता दिया, फिर इज्जत के खातिर भी करना पड़ेगा. And that's a huge point, right? Third point would be, and that is, once you have shared your goal, what happens is, people who even have the same goal can start helping you, supporting you in many different ways. Up till you have shared your goal with your near and dear ones, they won't have a dream that what exactly you want in your life. But if they know, they can start supporting you, helping you, and that's a great thing. So, Once you set your goal, it's very much necessary that you share with people. एक बार आप अपना गोल डिसाइड कर ले, फिर लोगों को बताइए, अपने बॉस, अपने कलीग्स, अपने एम्प्लॉयज, हर जगह पर अपने परिवार को. Tell everyone, right? Now, as I told you, I'm not going to much talk about the same because that's a very common subject. Now, smart work was right direction. Yes, right direction is towards the goal, but it's also about working in the right method. Now, what is this going to be the right method? Today, I'm not going to talk much about the mind because, you know, from last 14 years, I have been guiding people about their mind and mind power and so many things. But today, I'm going to talk a little bit with the related subject for which we all are here. You see, what's your product? I know you might have all the different answers, right? When I'm asking the question, what's your product? But to be very honest, our product is nothing but money. And each and every one of us who are working in any different aspects of life are working for money. Now, a simple question. Whatever you buy from the market, it could be a mobile, it could be a laptop, or it could be a car. Each and everything has got along with it an instructional manual. हर एक चीज़ें जो आप खरीदते हैं उसके साथ आपको एक इंस्ट्रक्शनल मैनुअल मिलता है और उस इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल में देयर आर टू थिंग्स रिटर्न. फर्स्ट, डूज एंड डोंट्स. What you are supposed to do with that thing and what you are supposed to not do with that thing, right? For example, whatever the do's are, if you are doing that, that particular thing will support you for long. You will be able to utilize maximum of its, utilities and power. And if you are doing something which is a don't, okay, that thing can damage that particular thing. It could be a mobile or a laptop or anything. Now friends, a simple question. Sandeep, can I get a money note please? Yeah. Okay. A simple question to all of you, and that is, everything has an instructional manual and you have a perfect understanding of what to do with the thing and what not to do with that thing. A simple question. Each one of us is working for money, but the question is, do we have an instructional manual for money? Maybe not. You see, the thing is, up till now, we used to think that money is simply an object and it can be used in any damn way, but that's not the case. You see, in India, money has been given a simple form of Ma Lakshmi and even Kuber. It is not just treated as simple money or a currency note, friends. So it's necessary to understand a couple of things about it. First, you should never ever criticize money or insult money or speak bad about it. Now what I'm saying is, for example, many people say money is useless, or oh, I don't run behind money, or money doesn't grow on trees, या हिंदी में हम कहते हैं पैसा तो हाथ का मैल है. But friends, do you know what? If standing here in front of you, if I criticize you, if I insult you, would you be there, sitting there and listening to me? Would you next time come to me? No. Just because the place where we get criticism and insult is the place where we never prefer to go again. Similarly, if in any way you are criticizing money, insulting money, you will never be able to attract money in your life. So it's very much necessary that you understand this fact of life. And anything you respect, anything you praise would always come to you. जो चीज को आप मान सम्मान देंगे, प्यार देंगे, वो आपके पास आएगा. So that's very much necessary that you love money. You see, whatever we buy from money, we love those things very much, right? It could be a laptop, it could be our own car, and it's so amazing. It could be our house. We love so much. But the thing is, by money we have got all these things, but the question is, we love that laptop, mobile and house so much, and we care for that. But friends, creator is always powerful than the creation. जो चीज बनती है उससे ज्यादा powerful उसे बनाने वाला होता है. So money is the creator, and the things you got from that are the creations. So rather than caring for the creations, you must care for money. Now, what I'm saying here is, let me define in practical words, right? Can I have a volunteer on stage? But I'm going to make a monkey out of you. Be careful. Yeah? Ma'am, can you be there? Yeah? That's great. Or maybe, Bhavesh, can you come up? Yeah, that's better. That's better. Bhavesh, come up. So, first of all, I thank Bhavesh that he took the risk to come here. Right, so, Nav. Nowadays, you might be very much aware with the subject called yoga, right? It's so common in India and out of India. I'm going to teach you a very beautiful asana, okay? Related with money. It's going to be surprising. Oh, asana related with money? Yes, okay? Bhavesh, I'm going to guide you with a simple body posture. Just sit there, okay? Comfortably, right. Take your right hand towards the right side, palm towards the sky. Okay, Nav, left leg straight. Doesn't matter, don't worry about the people. Okay, left hand towards left side. Turn it from the elbow towards down, like this. Yeah, like this, yeah. Elbow, elbow, yeah, fine. Now let's say if I'm saying that if you sit every day 2 hours like this, money would be there in your life. How about that? Bad, right? Okay, thank you very much. You can have your seat there. Thank you. So, if any one of you is sitting like this, it's not going to be comfortable, right? Now my question to all of you is, don't you think money in your pocket is in the same situation? What I mean to say is, have you ever taken time out to organize the money you have? My dear friends, we have always treated this money note as simple as a paper, but that's never the case. You see, it's very much necessary that we organize the money each and every day. How many of you uses a wallet? कितने लोग wallet use करते हैं? The people who don't use wallet will never have their money organized. Think about that. What will happen is 1,000 note is in some other pocket, 500 note is in the other pocket, 50 note is some other pocket. It's never organized. Yeah? Yeah. So, what I'm talking about is the daily routine money which we carry, right? Now, in that case, it's very much necessary before you start your day. You've perfectly organized your money in your pocket in sequence, 1,000, 500, in perfect counting, you should know. Now you will say, come on sir, money is simply a paper. I know it's a paper, but you know what? Once upon a time, paper and money had an argument. Paper said, oh come on, why do people love you so much? You are just a piece of paper. And money replied, yes, I am a piece of paper, but I have never seen dustbin. कुछ लोगों के लिए हिंदी में कहना चाहूंगा, पैसा कागज पैसों से कहता है कि भाई तू कागज है, राइट? तो पैसा जवाब देता है हाँ मैं कागज हूं, मगर मैंने कभी डस्टबिन नहीं देखा है. So friends, it's very much necessary that we understand the difference between the both. You see, there's a photo frame in your bedroom and the photo frame is of your family. There is one more photo frame in your temple, mandir. That is also a photo frame. But still, both the photo frames are treated differently.